Hello, this is Chris with Kunze Analytics. Thanks for watching this video. As we begin the new year, I'd like to talk about increasing sales, whether it's a direct sales team or a service call center, how to increase revenue in 2020. The first idea is to understand that our teams are unique. We have different company cultures, products, services. Everyone in our team has a different amount of experience, education. Their skill levels are different. And when you put this all together, you really can't compare one sales team to another. They are all unique, and that's okay. So when we try to increase sales and service in 2020, we should reject anything that's a one-size-fits-all solution. We should learn how to leverage our key performance indicators, those performance results that we look at frequently and that we use as a guide to know if things are going well or not. We should also leverage any type of assessment data or results that we've captured over the years. These could be related to cognitive abilities, personality traits, occupational interests, values, hard and soft skills. All of those data are very important and we should leverage them. Now, the way to do this is to accentuate personal responsibility among each of the sales representatives or service professionals, and that's in a one-on-one coaching situation with their manager. The way to be accurate, though, and valuable is not to look at the past in what we call descriptive statistics, but to look at the future and be prescriptive with our data analysis. And so what comes to the rescue are these new modern technologies, statistical modeling through what's called data mining. These are hyper-accurate models that are now available to everyone. We can use a very familiar environment to roll out data mining models. It could be right in Microsoft Excel or some other analytical software of your preference, but most companies will probably want to just open up a spreadsheet and have it right there. The way to make this simple is to condense everything down into a single worksheet on a single screen. Your scorecard should be all together on a single page and view. Now, when everything is set up under the hood and everything is connected and working, then we have an interactive worksheet. So if we were to modify any of the assessment or survey results to make slight modifications, we would see automatically and immediately the forecast difference in performance in your KPIs. This is an interactive spreadsheet. So if you're interested in predictive sales and service scorecarding, please contact us at Kunze Analytics and make it a great year.